tracing back to the essence of nature and empowering technological innovation based on herbal and mineral ingredients, specializes in the customized research and development and production of mid to high-end powder mask. With profound technological accumulation and continuous upgrading, we innovatively applies cryogenic low-temperature cell wall disruption, fermentation, and enzymatic hydrolysis processes combined with honeycomb pump promotion and penetration technology to enhance the absorption rate of nutrients by the skin. The powder mask free of white edges and easy to remove, creating a superior skin feel. Its immediate brightening effect directly meets market demands, and it maintains a leading position in the industry with its multi-dimensional technological advantages. From peel-off powder mask, modeling powder mask, mineral mud powder mask, plant nourishing powder mask, Chinese herbal powder mask, facial cleansing powder, bath powder, hair care powder mask, and spa powder mask, we continuously innovate to create a diverse range of blockbuster products. Time and space serve as a mirror, and quality as the soul. With a solid foundation of 2 decades of technological accumulation, GOMO has built a high-end product matrix. Empowered by the intelligent new factory, GOMO continues to drive technological innovation and quality improvement in the industry. Inheriting the historical accumulation of Chinese dermatology and leveraging the high-quality resources of Chinese herbs and minerals, GOMO has established an unreplicable core barrier in the fields of formula innovation, technology research and development, and production management. GOMO has always strictly adhered to every specification in the production process, implementing quality control in every minute detail. Raw materials are precisely picked in accordance with the natural rhythm, and the production process relies on the world's leading fully sealed natural production pipeline. From fine grinding, uniform mixing to the final product output, the entire process adopts a closed pipeline operation mode, achieving seamless connection and sealed isolation throughout the production process, fundamentally blocking external contaminants such as dust and microorganisms. This solid safety line not only maintains the purity of the powder mask production throughout the process but also firmly locks in the activity and stability of the ingredients. It is also equipped with the cutting-edge cryogenic low-temperature cell wall breaking process, which precisely breaks the cell walls of herbal raw materials in a low-temperature environment. The dual support of a sealed environment and cryogenic low-temperature cell wall breaking technology lays a solid foundation for the production of high-quality powder mask. The industry-leading filling and packaging production line realizes the full process automation of product quantitative filling, bag sealing, and weight detection. It also gives each product a unique identification code, truly building a full-chain quality traceability system from the production line to the consumer's hands. This unwavering commitment to quality is also hidden in every meticulous inspection process. We have established a comprehensive product inspection system, conducting multi-dimensional and precise tests in professional laboratories, strictly controlling each product, and adhering to the dual international standards of GMP-AC and ISO 22716. This is not only our foundation for survival but also a perfect quality report card presented to the global market. From R&D to quality control, GOMO's products have been recognized by well-known brands at home and abroad. Our cooperation network covers the world, and we has repeatedly topped the sales charts on major e-commerce beauty platforms, demonstrating the hardcore strength of a leading factory in the industry. Professionalism, innovation, tenacity, and dedication. These are the postures of GOMO's progress. Leading the powder mask industry and rooted in China's beauty ecosystem, GOMO has always been committed to providing the global market with higher quality beauty products and services with a spirit of continuous improvement. We engraves our quality commitment into a broader future, growing together with the industry and sharing beauty with users. GOMO promises you quality,